big span round the village. Drive big span round the village.
Yeah, that's the song for our letter sound today. This is our third week. The letter sound is Let's pretend as if we are driving Vic's van. Let's drive together. Driving Vic's van around the village. Driving Vic's van around the village. Driving Vic's van around the village. Ooh. Thank you. Let's hear the story. One day Vic drives his van through the village, waving to his friends. He drives past Vale's fruits and vegetable shop. The van makes a sound when it is driving. Sound. Let's see the examples of sound. Van. Can you see the van? Yes, this is the van. Van. This is Vic. Vic is driving van along the village. Vest. Can you see the vest? Can you see the vest in the picture? Yes, Vic is wearing the vest inside his jumper. Very, very, very good. Drive. Drive. Vegetables. Vegetables. Vo. Vo. Vo is a flute. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Goodbye. Thank you.